If your battery is draining too fast and you want to optimize your battery, watch this video till the end. I will be giving you 14 tips which can improve your battery's life and optimize your battery. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now, you need to go to the display settings, go to the display settings and turn on this automatic, turn the brightness to automatic, or keep the brightness very low if you are comfortable with it. And the second tip is you you have to change the sleep time of the phone to the lowest, or if you are not comfortable, change it to 30 seconds. This can optimize your battery. If you're not comfortable with it, don't do it. Next, you have to close all the background apps. If you have more apps in the background, it will drain the battery so much. You have to close all the background apps. The next tip is very simple. You need to go to the battery and turn on the power saving mode. And the next tip is very important tip. You have to turn on the aeroplane mode. You have to turn on the aeroplane mode whenever are not using the internet, or whenever you are in an area where there is very less internet, where there is weak internet, because your phone will be constantly searching for internet. And if you don't turn on the aeroplane mode, your phone will not get internet and it will be continuously searching. This may lead to the draining of battery very soon. The next thing is you have to disable the vibrations. If you have set any vibrations in the alarm, here you can disable and enable the vibration. You have to disable the vibration, and this can optimize your battery. And if you are not using any internet or Bluetooth, you have to turn them off. Now you have to go to the settings, go to the system, go to the system settings, then look for software updates. If you are not updated, you have to update right now, or else your battery will drain. The next thing is you have to turn off auto location access for apps which you don't want. Go to the apps and you have to turn off the location access for apps which you don't need. Go to any app which you don't need and go to the permissions, and here you can turn off the location access. And then the next step is you have to restart your phone like once in 2 weeks. This will this will reset all the processes which is going on in the backend, and avoid your battery from going below 20%. avoid this as much as possible, because over time, if you allow it to reach below 20%, then your battery will drain faster. And you have to use the phone's original charger, which has been provided with the phone, or else your battery, this may lead to the your battery will drain faster. With these 14 tips, you can optimize your battery to to the next level. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.